On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Instagram 60-second story update. If you want to get this feature, this video is going to help you a lot. So there's two ways to get this problem done. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, open the Instagram and then click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then this is the first way. The second way is you have to open the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click on update, and you can do the same thing on the iOS iPhone. And if the problem is not fixed yet, this means that this option is not available in your country yet, so you have to wait until it's available in your country. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.